Shortly after Li-Cycle paused construction in Rochester, stocks took a dive, spelling trouble for the company's future plans. The battery recycling company executives maintain they plan to stay in Rochester.
Yeah, business and development reporter Dan Gross spoke to a stocks analyst today who painted a familiar picture to Rochesterians.
Li-Cycle was planning a massive expansion to their services with this build in Rochester. Now, when they paused construction due to cost, they said they're still committed to building in Rochester. But after that, stocks took a nosedive. Now, at one point, their market cap was valued at over $1 billion. Now it's about $220 million. Compare that number with the approved federal loan of $375 million. Now, those funds and the county money have not been paid out yet. Ethan Wade, he's the vice president of Brighton Securities. He points to a number of factors that could lead to the stock dive. The facility represented such a large chunk of their growth that its pause led to this decline. He adds that big green energy companies are down about 30%. Now, Li-Cycle is down 75%. That differential, he says, could indicate management problems. But he says that going green is expensive, and rising interest rates and construction costs, those are up. All in all, he says Li-Cycle's fate is not sealed, but agrees that this is a story Rochesterians have heard before.
We have this grand idea that this can put Rochester back on the map, and unfortunately it doesn't necessarily come to fruition as we've seen before. The stock price indicates that there is a concern about the business, that the stock market has a concern about the business. We can make a case that they put too many of their eggs in one basket when it came to being able to build out this production facility that hinges upon the funding from the government.
Wade adds that November 13th release of their financial statements are going to paint a much clearer picture for what will come for Li-Cycle and its investors in the future. Reporting in the studio, Dan Gross, News 8.
All right, Dan, thanks for that report. We have reached out to Li-Cycle for comment on this story, and we have yet to hear back.